In this bang bob situation is giving what it supposed to have gave. You understand? Y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Hey girl, I'm Sharron. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today we are going to be doing a review on this bang and bob that I have on right here, right now. So let's get into it. Hey y'all, so today's wig is from the Luxe collection, holla, and that's what the packaging looks like. It comes with a name card inside. The style name of this wig is Aaron. It has the care instructions on the back along with the social media handles. Make sure to follow us on social media. But you know, I always like to show you what the wig looks like before I co-wash it or anything, so I'm just showing you fresh out of the pack. Now this wig was heavy on like the little static thing that it be doing, so keep that in mind. But this is a bang bob. It has like a blunt cut. The construction is combs on the side. It is a 1.5 by 4 inch lace part wig. It has combs in the back, adjustable straps, and an elastic band. Okay, so that's what the inside of the cap looks like, and this is what the wig looks like on the mannequin head, because I feel like that other clip wasn't really doing it justice. But look at how pretty. So cute. Love. Anyways, this is the wig. Okay, so here is the wig. I straightened it and everything off camera, because when you're trying to get like the little crinkles out after you co-wash a wig, well, a straight wig anyway, even though it's straight, it be having like the little crinkles in it, and so it just be a task to get it back like completely straight. So I did that off camera, but here it is, and even still, it still got a couple of little dents and bumps in it, but that's fine. So as I showed y'all the construction of the wig, it has the combs on the side, comb in the back, it has adjustable straps and an elastic band. This is a 1.5 by 4 lace part wig, so it does have a part and lace right here that you would need to cut off. So let me do that right now before I put it on, because it's pretty much ready to like pop on. I just gotta like cut the lace off, and then that's pretty much gonna be it for the styling, since I straightened it off camera. The lace is cut off. Again, this is what the inside of the cap looks like. I adjusted the straps. Actually, let me take this back some, because it got the elastic band, so I don't really need to like adjust the straps. I don't want it to be too tight on my head. Okay, just gonna pop her on. Ooh, oh, I need a comb. Hold on. Okay, and then I'm just going to comb it back into shape. So you see, some of it is still not as like sleek as I would like, but it is what it is. Okay, so like this is a very quick and simple style, but it's so cute to me and so edgy, like with the blunt cut. I just live, first of all, I already live for a bob, but then this bang bob situation is giving what it supposed to have gave. You understand? That look like that's a part of my eyebrow. It's giving unibrow. Y'all not in love? Like, let me know down in the comments right now, like what you think of this wig. I need to know. Are you a bang bob type of a girl, or do you think that like it's not giving? Let me know. I want to know. This wig is not big head friendly. It's like medium size head friendly. So if you got a bigger size head, then this probably won't work for you, but it is a bang, so like you probably can make it work. Like if it's not all the way like fitting on your head, I feel like because it has a bang and you're not necessarily like showing any kind of like hairline situation, then like you probably could make it work, but at your own risk. Okay, so because this is a middle part 1.5 by 4 inch lace part wig, if you wanted to part the wig down the middle and then like put the hairs to the side, you could make it just like a bob too. Now I'm not gonna like really for real do that because I'm wearing it as a bang, but you, as you see, if you part it over and then hot comb the hairs and get it all to like be like going to the side, then you could really like make it work. But again, I'm not trying to mess up the bang. So this is just like a regular straight texture. The hair quality is really good. I mean, come on. Like, do I really have to say that to you? I think we know that. So I really feel like it's not really much else for me to say about this wig. I feel like this video is so short, but that's how it is with like bobs or just like super quick and simple wigs. It's not really much to say. It's not really much to do. So there we have a short video, you know what I'm saying? But like, at least the wig is cute, and I done brought you a slay for you to get, and you can slay. So this wig is a really good wig, especially if you like bobs and bangs. The combination of the two is a slay. Okay, it's a win. So if you like that type of a wig, then you'll love this wig. I love this wig. The hair quality is good. So you know, it's not really much else to say, so I'm gonna go. If you're interested in the wig, I will leave the link in the description box for you to check it out. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you aren't subscribed, and then when you do hit the subscribe button, hit the bell next to it so that way you can be notified anytime I upload. Okay, it's a package deal. Enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.